Hey there, Aaron Wills again, bringing you another reaction video. I started this on Sunday, the 8th day of September in 2024 at 7:40 p.m. Along with welcoming you to my channel, allow me to thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe before sharing this video and turning the post notification bell on. Alright, here we go. We go to youtube.com. I'm trying not to fall asleep during this video. I tried to make several videos today, and I posted 0 because I keep falling asleep. I keep falling asleep, so I haven't posted a video today. I try to, but I fall asleep. Sovereign citizen movement. Okay, it's killing me. Sovereign citizen movement. Where'd that go? Who will watch that? We'll watch a sovereign citizen movement video. You guys are pretty funny. I'm not the judge of the... But here we go, let's see what this is about. I should have looked to see this is by Teen Skeptic. He likes the best videos there are.
My new book, Keyboard Rich, How Anyone Can Earn 6 Figures from Home with a Simple Bookkeeping Business, has just hit the Wall Street Journal bestseller list, and I want to give you a copy for free. Hi, I'm Bill Von Fumetti.
Shut up, Home.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today, we have a wild one for you, as we have a sovereign citizen go-
Here he is, this guy's awesome. I don't know his name. It's cool though, let's watch him.
going up against everybody's favorite judge, Judge Simpson. Now, people love Judge Simpson because he's both a no-nonsense judge and a sympathetic judge, but mostly because he has zero chill for sovereign citizens and their fictional legal arguments. So let's begin.
Court calls case People versus Tariq Day.
The Michigan Senior Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for People.
Oh, sorry.
Hello, Tariq Samar Tariq Day here.
Already, Judge. Torshio Fleecer, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Day.
There.
Can you turn on your camera, sir?
I don't have any contract with a public defender's office.
You what?
I don't have any contract with the public defender's office representing me.
You don't have a contract with them?
Correct.
Yes, Judge. I reached out to Mr. Day to try to help retry this case.
This going to be a Bellinger's thing?
I think so, Judge.
Okay, go for it.
My understanding is that he had enough counsel that he's going to have, I believe, on his file. And I wish him good luck if that's the case, but I don't see another attorney here, so I don't know what's going on, you know.
No,
Mr. Day?
I'm defending myself. I told him that I would notify the court that I relieved him of any implied obligations to this case.
Of course you did, because clearly you've gone to the YouTube University of Law for at least the past 3 nights, And clearly you know more than the practicing attorney who's there to represent you.
So you're going to represent yourself?
I'm defending myself, correct.
Okay, then you need to be here.
Well,
Now,
as I told the court, I requested a Zoom hearing because I have COVID. So there's no
you
way I
have
can.
in a vehicle with a hat on, no mask.
I
Oh,
am inside my vehicle right now.
what'd you say?
I said yes because I'm inside my vehicle right now. I work outside. I'm away from the general public.
Did you
So
go
there's
to
no.
the hospital
Yes.
regarding the COVID diagnosis?
Excuse me.
Have you been to the doctor regarding the COVID diagnosis?
It's against my religion.
Okay, so here's what you're going to do.
Wow.
Then I'm going to say, okay, you got COVID. I want you here. When's our last block? 3 o'clock today. Wear a mask if you're going to represent yourself.
I can't make that. Is there a later date?
Oh,
3:30.
yeah, you can. 3 o'clock.
3:30. I can make that.
No, you can make 3 o'clock, or you can go ahead and cancel your weekend plans for 3 meals and a cot. This isn't some weak ass judge you're dealing with. This is Judge Simpson, and he will throw your ass in jail for disregarding his orders.
I'll be here at 3 o'clock.
Well, I'll be there at 3:30, and if there's any issues, then we can.
Okay, and at 3 o'clock, I may issue a bench warrant. Be here at 3 o'clock. I'll pass this matter. Thank you.
There's no bench warrant to be issued because this court didn't have.
Okay, I'll determine that at 3 o'clock.
He's going to talk about jurisdiction, and he refuses to get a bench warrant. So he did not consent to a bench warrant. It's all the same. And they're all a bunch of fucking morons. They're always worried about jurisdiction and I don't consent to this, I don't consent to that.
The court
See you
didn't
at
have.
3 o'clock. Thank you.
This court does not have jurisdiction.
You're welcome, Mr. Feaster. Cut his line. Why don't we do this? Give me about 3 minutes. I'm going to take a recess, then I'm going to come back because everything's going downhill, and it's those two guys' fault.
Wait, us? What did we do?
You're hovering. Wondering if you click buy or book, is your personal info going to be safe? With all-in-one protection from McAfee Plus, it can be.
That could be the joke.
What's your name?
Tariq Samar Tariq, the executive of the Tariq Samar Tariq Living Trust. Flag, owner, Tariq Wilson Estate.
Sir, you indicated that you wish to represent yourself on this matter.
Yes.
All right, you understand at your arraignment you were given the charges that were have been filed against you?
I was given a charge. So if there were any additional, I was not given those charges. The only charge I got was a fleeing and eluding.
Fleeing and eluding third degree.
Third degree, correct.
I don't consent to get a ticket for that.
And if anything else was tallied onto that, I was not told.
I have one charge.
Okay.
That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. The Secretary of State would be required upon your conviction to.
I'm facing something that can send me to jail for 5 years. I'm gonna want a damn lawyer. I'm gonna trust myself to defend myself. I don't want a damn lawyer if I'm facing something for up to 5 years. I'm gonna need somebody with a little bit of a law education.
Suspend your license for a period of 1 year. You understand that, sir?
I do, but I have some questions.
As soon as I get through this, you have indicated that you wish to represent yourself. I have to advise you that there are some dangers in you representing yourself. You understand that, sir?
I do comprehend.
And you understand that if you proceed to represent yourself, that the court is not going to assist you to understand the procedures or anything regarding the court proceeding, that you will be responsible for that, and I will be holding you to the same standard that I would be holding the attorneys in the room in terms of even ruling on evidence or anything along those lines in regard to the procedure and the process. You understand that, sir?
Correct. I comprehend.
All right. You also, so I will ask you again, do you still continue to wish to represent
I'm
yourself in
awake.
this matter?
Yes, I will be defending myself.
You understand also, sir, that should you change your mind and could not afford to hire an attorney and wish to be represented by an attorney, the court would consider making sure that you are afforded counsel. You understand that?
I do that.
How do you wish to proceed on this matter, sir?
First, I want to like an oral motion for dismissal based on the fact of the lack of probable cause and also the lack of personal and subject matter jurisdiction based on the fact that this is a trust matter
Jurisdiction.
from the name to the private conveyance that was stolen by the third party Wall Street Towing and impounded on the colorful law actions of Officer Trowbridge of the Washington County Sheriff's Department.
The colorful law actions? So what? We're just gonna
Well, here's about jurisdiction again, I'm sure. We already have, but we're about it again.
take words with meanings and make new shit up now? Let this be a lesson to all the kids out there. Yeah, super glue might taste good, but this is the result of copious consumption that goes unchecked by an actual adult.
Also, I have not been able to, as of Constitution Amendment 6, being able to face my accuser. With the state of Michigan being a fictitious entity and there's no injured party, there's no crime that has been committed. And again, to the probable cause of the initial stop and the arrest cannot be proven. There was no probable cause for the arrest or the stop. There was no warrant on hand for the arresting officer to conduct an arrest. And even more so, again, as I stated, this is trust property, so this court doesn't have jurisdiction to adjudicate over the foreign trust.
Done? Finished?
Oh, no, actually, I was also moving to place you and the clerk as fiduciaries over the trust, and I'll be able to supply you all with the adequate assurance certificate of security to settle and offset charges.
I still think it's cute how sovereign citizens believe that they can disqualify entire court systems by making a judge or another court officer a fiduciary or beneficiary to their fictitious trust. Because A, your trust only exists in your head, and B, that's not how that works. It's not how it's ever worked, and it's not how it's going to work in the future neither.
Well, he will be doing nothing to me and nothing to my clerk. So, whatever that motion was, that's denied. As to your other motion regarding all of that, quite frankly, it doesn't make any sense. We haven't even had the probable cause hearing. There will be a determination at the next stage as to whether or not there's probable cause regarding the charges.
I was told this was a probable cause hearing,
This is a probable cause hearing.
so I don't understand what you're saying.
I know you don't understand.
You're not having a probable cause.
Pardon?
You said that no probable cause was had, but then you said that this is a probable cause hearing.
You have not had your preliminary examination, at which there will be a determination as to whether or not there's probable cause to believe that the crime has been committed and you committed it. That is the next stage. That has not happened. So to the extent that your motion is even valid, which I do not believe that it is, and certainly you may raise it at a later date, but to the extent that it's valid, at least at this point, your motion is premature, and therefore your motion is denied. Anything else?
Well, lastly, I want to also put on the record, I wasn't able to provide all my exhibits based on, as I told you, I was
You weren't able to do what?
Provide my exhibits
To whom?
to the court to help for my defense, the evidences.
He just told you that there's not been a probable cause trial yet, whatever it's called.
You haven't had a hearing yet.
That's what
I comprehend.
That's what
I'm
it
just
is.
saying that I usually have my documents precede me before any hearings take place. And I wasn't able to because I was under the weather. That was my point.
I've got a question. Has your documents preceding you or any of your other fellow brain donors ever won a case for you? No? Okay, so who cares?
So they will be here, if not by the end of the day in the drop-off box, and you'll have them tomorrow. But you all will be served with the proper documents, and the taxes as well will be filed on the case.
Okay. Anything else?
No, not at this time.
All right. So how would you like to proceed next on this?
Entering a plea of demurrer.
Okay, you've already done that.
I've already entered a plea of demurrer. I'm not sure when that took place other than right now.
That took place on the arraignment on the complaint, sir.
I never pleaded demurrer. There was
You stood mute. You stood demure. You don't even know what that means. You're just using words and have no concept as to what they mean.
demurrer and mute are two separate things, but that's neither here nor there.
No, they're not. You have no legal degree. They are not. They are not.
No need to-
They are not.
I'm not here.
They are virtually the same thing. So where do you wish to proceed now?
As I stated, my
Do
motion.
you wish this set for preliminary examination? Your motions have been
I
denied.
wish for the prosecution to provide the evidence that any of this needs
You
to.
don't have discovery on this case. Is that what you're asking?
I'm not asking for discovery whatsoever.
So what are you asking for?
I stated that the prosecution needs to prove that a crime was committed, and under
Not until your trial.
they also need to show and prove that there is an injured party for the crime to have even been committed.
As I've indicated, you will have that hearing. Do you wish to have discovery?
Discovery should be provided regardless. There's no wish about
Do
it.
you wish to have
Discovery should be
discovery?
provided.
Don't play word games.
Discovery, I believe, is when the prosecution sends him everything that he's going to be charged with. I think they send him their intended witnesses and everything else, their intended approach to the case, and everything he's been charged with. I think that's what discovery is. We'll see what the judge says to discovery.
Games with me.
I'm not playing.
Mr. Allen,
Discovery.
not play word games with me. You're playing with the wrong judge. You can smile and smirk all you want.
I'm not trying.
I'm giving you your warning.
I'd take that warning if I were you, because I've watched enough of Judge Simpson to know that this is him being nice. Typically, he makes petulant adult toddlers go sit in timeout in the Washtenaw County Jail. And that big guy that strategically placed himself between you and the exit is there to ensure that you get your stupid prize for winning that stupid game you're playing.
I will ask you again. Do you wish to have discovery provided to you?
Yes.
Do we have copies of discovery available that can be provided to this defendant?
No, Your Honor, I know that the PD was representing this individual. I don't have copies right now.
I got you. Okay. So are there copies of the police report as well as other discovery that's in the hands of the public defender's office?
I guess that's what discovery is. Well, I suggest you
see
do.
traffic stops and discovery videos onto our program.
All right. All right. Those need to be gotten to the defendant. How soon can those be gotten to the defendant?
I can get those in hopefully by tomorrow around.
You have an address for him to send those to him?
Yes, I do. I can confirm it with him too.
All right. What do you have as the address? Do you have an address on, is it Sheriff?
I do, yeah.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. All right. You'll make sure that is sent to him. You also have an email address so that all things can be emailed to him also?
I do.
All right. Very good. Sir, did you wish to then have another PCC, or did you wish to proceed immediately to preliminary examination?
I would like to first have a jurisdiction hearing.
What kind of jurisdiction here?
Personal and subject matter.
Okay.
There you go with this jurisdiction. They're all about jurisdiction, and I don't consent to this or that. Sovereign citizens are crazy. They're almost as annoying as First Amendment auditors. Listen.
Go ahead and raise it, because I can deal with it right now. What's the personal jurisdiction?
This court, as well as the state, lacks personal jurisdiction. I'm simply here under threat and duress of coercion of you, saying that you would hope put out a bench warrant for my arrest.
Okay, so let's go through this argument right now. The court does indeed have personal jurisdiction over you because you have presented yourself before the court. And if the court lacked personal jurisdiction over you, then you wouldn't show up because the threat, duress, and coercion would be baseless. It's like when sovereign citizens get together at the Red Roof Inn parking lot to hold their governmental meetings and bring charges against actual elected officials. And yes, this does actually happen. It's like student government in high school, except with an edible crayon buffet and with people that never actually made it to high school. Those elected officials never actually show up because you don't have personal jurisdiction over them, so why would they?
Get an unlimited phone plan from Google Fi Wireless at $80 per month for 2 lines. Enjoy unlimited data, calls, and texts. With hotspot tethering and smartwatch connectivity included, there's never been a better time to make the switch to Google Fi Wireless.
Now what? Is that it?
You can sell this $5 spatula on Amazon and compete with hundreds of other spatula sellers, or you can sell digital products on Amazon and compete with almost no one. You see,
Another,
So I'm not going to get into that.
So you don't, no.
another sovereign citizen video. I like them better when they're in court.
This subject's being very
This one's
uncooperative.
just,
Nothing will prepare you for the wild ride this woman takes police on across several locations over several hours.
Are you the reason why I'm getting called?
Yes, I'm Lauren. Nice to meet you.
So you were the one that they were calling about?
I am. So there is a female laying on the bathroom floor right now.
Okay.
Right? Who is not coherent. And this entire bar is trying to accommodate that. It's fine. It's no big deal. She's not okay at all.
Okay. Well, let me go see what's going on in here.
Sure, go ahead.
All right.
Go ahead. Hi.
Hey.
How you guys doing?
Good. What's up?
What can I do for you?
Well, we got called about somebody unconscious in the bathroom.
She's not unconscious. She's up. She's awake. She's up and she's awake. I'm taking her home. I know her personally. Don't worry. I will never let anything.
We still need to look at her.
Okay. Would you like to look at her?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, she's perfectly fine. Okay. You guys.
It's up to do a welfare check on her.
Hey man, real quick, with the new constitutional carry laws in the state, are there any firearms in the vehicle?
It's March 3rd, 2023, and Officer Sprague has his spidey sense through the roof on what should be a routine traffic stop. No one could have expected what would happen over the next 2 hours.
Okay. All right, man. One thing real quick, you said there's an open container in the back? Okay. So I do see the bottles, what was that, Patron? In the back seat. What's up?
That's basically like
is that what it is? Okay. All right, man. Not a big deal. You know.
I ain't drunk though, none of that though.
Hey, man. I ain't going down that road, okay?
Right.
But with an open container, I am gonna have you take a step out of the car real quick. All right. Just so we can conduct our business. As long as everything's cool, man. I got no problem.
Great, bro.
I got no problem just putting the bottles in the trunk and letting you go with a warning. All right. But for right now, I am gonna have you take a step out, especially with this bad weather and people flying down this street. Okay. Again, I know I already asked. No weapons in the car or on your person right now.
Hey.
If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, you can tell me, and then we can work through it.
No, I'm just saying no.
Okay. All right. Cool, man.
Hey, man, can you call Micah, man?
So
my tag's good, everything good, my license is great. You can run my name and everything, bro.
That's cool, man. But listen, with the open container, that gives me probable cause to search the vehicle.
That ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm not drunk.
I didn't say you're drunk, but you're in possession of an open container of alcohol while operating a motor vehicle. Like I said, it's not a big deal. It's a misdemeanor, man. So I am going to have you take a step out.
All right. Well, I'll take the ticket, though, man. I'll take the ticket, though.
Okay, but I need you to understand something, Mr. Whiteside. You still have to get out of the car.
What are you saying, bro? Because I'm talking to the officer and I'm talking to you at the same time.
Why don't you hang up the phone, man?
No, it's safety, bro.
Oh, okay. Well, you're safe. Nothing is going to happen to you. But I do need you to cooperate, all right? Now, I've asked you several times now to exit the vehicle, all right? Those have all been requests. I'm now going to order you to get out of the car.
When I go into Canva, I'm able to focus more on just creating the video. And I know that automatically with a couple of clicks, I can set it for this platform and this platform and this platform and save a ton of time.
Here we go. What's going on? Skip.
You gonna hurt me to get out the car?
Yeah, you don't have a choice.
What's the protocol, bro?
Like I already told you, man, I have probable cause to search the vehicle, all right? So to do so...
Bro, what's the protocol, bro?
The protocol is we're just going to have you get out of the car. It's okay. Listen, man, we can work through this. I promise you, man, if you're cool with us, and you're going to be on your way here in about 2 or 3 minutes. I promise you. That's it.
I need that, bro. I think y'all, bro.
So like I already told you, man, I already said I can work with you for just the open container.
Can my sister pull up?
No. That's a safety concern, man.
I'm
it's
really
dark out.
scared,
She's
for
just...
my life.
For what, dude?
For what? Y'all watch the news? Y'all know? Y'all see what's going on in the world?
Listen, dude. Listen. We're human beings having a conversation with you.
I've been nothing but respectful to you. You've been respectful to me so far. I appreciate it.
Right.
But now I need you to cooperate.
Listen, we need you to step out of the car right now.
Okay? Bro, y'all is scaring the
The fact that you're not cooperating is leading me to start to think that there might be something else that's going on. There's nothing going on.
I don't give a about the car.
Well, that's great, man. Let us conduct our business, and we can get you on your way. All right?
Hey, y'all shut the up, man.
Okay. I don't know how to explain it any clearer.
Bro. Can we pull it to a main street?
You're on a main street. We've probably been passed by 100 cars. So here's the deal. All right, Mr. Whiteside, for right now, interlace your fingers, put your hands on top of your head. All right?
He had no container in the car. Refused to get out of the car several times. Speeds are 60 going southbound on Brown Street. Traffic's light and yielding, still westbound on East South Street, approaching Grand.
Wow. Drugs in your car much? Something's going on, isn't it? You wouldn't take off like that. There wasn't any drugs or something going on in the car.
Hey, what do you guys go that way?
Did they get him stopped? This time, bust out his window if you have to. Just reach in the window and drag him out of the window.
All right, 11, I have a description of that male. He's a black male, thin build, light skin, tattoos on his face. He's wearing a black winter hat, and he has some sort of red sweatshirt on. Black pants, I believe.
Why does he have to be a black male? Because he's black and he's a male. I guess that's the reason, huh? You wouldn't call him a white woman, white female, if he's a black male. They couldn't get the person they wanted. They think they're looking for a white female. That's actually a black male, couldn't they?
When asked about firearms, he was real hesitant to answer. And then as we went to get him out of the car, he refused to do so. So just be advised, he may be armed. There's somebody running over there.
I can't see.
Yep, somebody's running.
Per one, we had one male running under the bridge, northbound. He's running this way. He's gonna be somewhere under this bridge or near to it, northbound. He saw him running. You see him?
Yeah. Hey, where'd you last see him at? Hey, car 3 just said he's running up the hill. I don't know what hill.
You see him? That's not him, is it? No. What hill are they talking about?
I don't know. He ran this way across the street as the person we saw. That's the only thing I told them, and then they said something at a hill.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
I
don't know where the f*** they went.
He would have cut up the cuss words. That's the best part.
Dude, where are they? No idea. God damn it.
You're needed at Brown and Johnston for hit due to this chase.
I think it's a great idea. House sitters get somewhere to stay, and we, the house owners, get someone to look after our home and our animals. And
it makes it a very equal relationship.
Yeah.
We're both giving something.
There was an arrow pointing at something, and it was pointing at the bad guy. I don't know. So when we get back, well, I'm curious to see what the arrow was. Big red arrow, I want to see what it was. It's pointing at the dog, right?
God, they're down there.
The dog's gonna get him. Go get him, dog.
Face down, right now! Face down, Go. Still come. Got it.
Who needs a breath? Who needs a breath?
Nobody.
All right.
Brandon is finally taken into custody, and just as it seems the situation is under control, his family members arrive, making the situation a lot worse.
I just want to know.
No, absolutely, you don't. You have to leave. You're obstructing traffic.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just meet you at the gym.
Absolutely, you can.
Okay, I'll meet you at the gym. Can we know what happened though?
Yeah, he took off from us on a chase. He's in a cruiser.
Can we at least get his car?
Absolutely not. It's disabled, destroyed. So you guys have to move the car away from the street so you're not obstructing traffic. And you have
I'm allowed to be here.
No, you have to step off the road. Thank
Well, okay, I'm allowed.
Unfortunately, the family's antics are just beginning.
Put your feet. You got anything that's on you? I'll open that quickly.
Hold on, man. Give me 1 second.
Man. Hey, can I go one more time through this thing? Go ahead. I got still hook things and everything. Yep, appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Don Julio. Tequila.
Alright. What's that? Hey, stop, man. Come on. I'm gonna read your rights right now, okay? You have the right to... I still gotta read them to you, bro. So just be quiet. What? I mean, why are you saying that, man? They obviously handcuffed you. You're in the back of the cruiser. Stop. You're being dramatic now. You're the one that ran. Why are you scared? They asked you to get out. If you would have done that, it would have been way easier. Well, for right now, you're being arrested for definitely obstructing. That I know, but I'm not the initial officer. Well, if you're a good dude, why'd you run?
Look at what happened. You ran, we caught you, and you're still fine in the back seat. So apparently you have some kind of misconception.
What's up, man? What's going on? You feel like you're dying? Why do you feel like you're dying? Tell us what happened?
Hey, Google.
Is you okay? Did they jump on you?
I think they gonna do something to me, bro.
Yep, Akron, Ohio.
Would you Brand, stop. Brand, knock it off. Brand, knock it off.
He's under arrest. That's all you need to know, okay? He ran from the police. He ran from the police. What are you, an attorney?
I want to know what's going on. I just want to know what's going on.
I don't want to arrest you for obstruction.
How am I obstructing? How am I obstructing?
I told you down there. I was polite, professional. Explain to you what's going on.
I'm not even in the car.
Please, I'm begging you.
Where you want me to go? Right there? I can stay right here, though.
No.
Let's go to the block.
Why do we gotta clear the scene? I'm not worrying about you behind your back. The officers have to do their job safely. You're watch them up there.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, it's like 5 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet. Why is it an ambulance? Is he hurt?
I'm not trying to be
You're making it hard.
You're obstructing official business.
How?
Please just go up the street and watch from a safe distance.
Okay, we're gonna watch it right here.
No, please, just
So
up
where
there.
is this? This is
Right up there.
right where? This is safe enough. You're making it unsafe by following me. You're making it unsafe. Look, don't touch me. Why are you trying to touch me?
We're gonna go right here.
Get
We
away
right
from me.
here.
Right, you're making
We
it
right
unsafe
here.
for
We
me.
not in your
I'm trying to
business.
figure
We
out
right
what's
here.
going on. I want to make sure my
I got more than one question.
Did I tell you he was okay 6 times?
But why is it
Let me tell
an
you something.
ambulance?
He's okay.
Why is it
But why
an
is it an
ambulance? Why? Okay, you didn't say that. You didn't say. No, you didn't. You walked away. I tried to talk to another officer. You said he couldn't talk to me. And you got me on camera, right? And you got me on camera, right? You're supposed to protect yourself. All right. Well, look, at this point, I didn't do anything wrong.
Not yet.
I'm on public property.
Okay, well you have because you're not listening to what I tell you.
No, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my brother. I just want to watch.
You can't figure out why you're talking and yelling at me.
Why are you talking to me? That's your problem over there.
If you gotta listen.
You're making it unsafe. You're getting closer to me. You're getting closer to me. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to get closer. Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, stay right there. Okay. 8 officers. All right, guys, let's go.
What'd you say?
He's worried that you're gonna do something to him. Try to explain it. He's cuffed in the back of the car.
Yeah, it's childish, man.
Bro, not alcohol in your system.
And nothing's gonna happen. Things get stupid or silly when you're running. It gets scary. You make a movement they don't see, something like that. You can't do that right now, man. You're good.
Why are you just coming closer, man? Because you keep walking this way.
I'm walking back to
You were told to stay in front of the ambulance, weren't you?
All right, I'm not staying nowhere over here. I'm walking back towards my car, man. I'm going this way.
All right, stay on the sidewalk.
Why are you going in my face and shit, doing all that?
Because you were told several times to stay up there.
I
just gotta say one thing.
I can't walk past.
If I have to tell you one more time, you're going to be placed under arrest.
For what?
If you come back on the scene one more time, you're going to be placed under arrest. Keep walking.
I'm not interfering. I'm not interfering.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. How am I interfering?
Keep going.
How am I interfering? You don't have to walk. Keep going. What's your name? What's your name?
$453,000 in a single month as an affiliate marketer without relying on Google, Facebook.
You're doing silly because I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my brother. I'm trying to figure out what happened to my brother. And I'm trying to make sure he's okay. I told you he's okay. No, I'm not listening to you. Every time I try to see.
Okay, so you stay
from that. You get in my way.
There's no need to use profanity.
Why are you still following me,
because
though?
we just want
I'm
you to
nowhere
stay
near you
safe.
guys. Why are y'all messing with me, man? You y'all getting on my
Did you try to move this?
Yeah, I tried to move it. It won't start.
Oh, it's not starting. It's just not even turning on. Okay. Do you guys have like AAA or anything like that?
No, you got AAA?
We can tow it for you, but if you... Oh, your airbags went off?
Yeah, the side airbags. That's
Okay.
what I'm saying,
All right.
bro.
No, you're good, man. You're good.
Is he gonna have to pay for this, though?
I mean, yeah, I assume. Our traffic unit will explain this to you when he gets out here. He's on his way out here right now. Hey, do you have...
I got license.
No, you're good with that, man. I'm not worried about that. His airbags went off, so he can't drive it anyways. Do you...
Pull a tow, because it's in the middle.
Okay, we're gonna have to tow it, okay? Alright, I'll let you know once we figure out the tow, I'll let you know where it's going, okay? Where does your mom live at?
My mom lives in Cleveland, bro.
She lives in Cleveland?
Yeah.
Where were you going?
I was dashing, bro.
Oh, you're door dashing? Can I get your license from you real quick? Hey, are you good, man? Do you need
I'm
EMS
not hurt,
or
bro.
anything?
I'm just worried about my mom.
It'll be... They already know who hit it, so...
Like, I don't know what to do, bro. Like, I literally just went through the same situation, bro, but somebody... I got in an accident.
Close the door here and step out of the way.
Yeah, we don't want you getting hit again.
Hey, you can close that real fast.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Hey, Brandon. What's up, dude? You remember us, right? Don't even what? Because that was pretty stupid. I ain't doing nothing to you, man. That's why I'm over here. I'm giving you your space. Is that fair?
378.
Alright, well listen, man, my name's Officer Phillips. You already met my partner, Officer Spratt. We were the ones that stopped you. Alright? So listen, dude, you made that so much worse for you than it needed to be. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you, man to man.
I'm not sure, bro.
So be it. It doesn't give you the right to endanger other people's lives. Is that fair? Because that was stupid. I think my partner read you your rights. You understand them, correct? You wish to speak with us at this time? You wish to speak? It's a yes or no question. Is that okay if I ask you some questions?
Questions about what?
About what happened tonight.
I thought y'all was gonna kill me. I still feel that way.
Okay, well you're in handcuffs right now. Nobody's gonna kill you.
You know how many people died in the hands of y'all?
Alright, have a good night.
Brandon was charged with failure to comply, obstruction, possession of marijuana, and possession of an open container of liquor while operating a vehicle.
He ran for having marijuana. He could almost kill somebody for marijuana. It was wet and snowy out because he had marijuana. What a fucking moron.
Innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
This is FTMO, and it's a trading firm that funds traders. If you're 18 or older, you can take their tests, and if you pass their tests, they'll give you funded accounts of up to $100,000 or more to generate profits.